Okay, now we have an equation 2 to 3 to 4 to x minus 5 12. So large equals 0. This is complicated. So we first change their form 2 to 3 to 4 to x. We move this 5 12 to right side. Okay, so 5 times we know that this 2 to 10 is this 10 12 10 24. So this 10 24 divide 2 is 5 12. That means we divide 2 both sides. Okay, so that means equal 2 to 9. So we write 2 to 9. Okay, this base is the same. That means 3, 4, 3 to 4 to x equal 9. So here we can rewrite here 3 to 4 to x equal 3 square. This base also same. So that means 4 to x equal 2. And 4 we can change the form 4 square x equal 2. So 2 to 2x equal 2. Here also base is same. So, but here the exponent is 1. 2x equal 1. The base is same, so exponent is equal. So x equal 1 over 2 is our solution.